How to replace a 2021 Ford F-150. 5-button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
This remote here, all you need to do is right here at the bottom, go ahead and hit your release. The remote will come apart. When it does, when you look up in there, you'll see you have where the emergency key was and then this flat spot. I'm gonna insert the key blade in the emergency spot. I'm only gonna go in about 1/8 of an inch. You go in and just rotate it and you'll see the corner will pop up. Once that corner pops up, take your emergency key, push it up, the back opens. Here's your battery. It's a 2450. We're going to reassemble it. Put the battery in, positive side up. And you notice it doesn't want to stay in there. You will move the battery and it will actually sit under a little lip right there. Your back part of your remote is actually what holds the battery in. Go ahead and put it back together, squeeze it, take your emergency key, put it back in, and you're done. You've just changed the battery on your remote. Thanks again for watching. Sergeant Locksmith here, and let's stay safe out there.